Hi guys, we're looking for support and resistance levels projections for Tuesday, March the 29th for Nifty. This is the combined chart for futures and spot prices. I prefer this so because it gives me a continuous pricing picture and it's easy to analyze compared to the spot chart. Seems like Nifty has hit resistance today around 230. It made a high of 240 earlier, and it's gonna close somewhere around 230 this afternoon. While the futures might continue further up, um, however, it seems like Nifty has a negative bias for tomorrow once again. So let's look at what our support levels are going to be for tomorrow. We are looking again at around 117,170 as the first support at open, below which we are at 17,000. Let's see, 17,125, about there. And if that is broken, Nifty is expected to break 17,000 tomorrow and go all the way down to 17,900 levels. Excuse me, 16,900 levels. In the event that Nifty does break above the resistance line of 230 and gaps up, um, our first resistance is around 270, above which Nifty might try and climb above the 17,320 support level, this blue line support level. Above above 320, we're looking at a resistance around 410 for tomorrow, or maybe just around 400, 410 to 400 resistance. Okay, guys. So let me repeat the support levels. We had 170 first support, 125 second support, below which we are at 16,900. In the event Nifty goes up tomorrow above 230, our first resistance becomes 270, followed by 320 and 400. I hope this was helpful. So, see you tomorrow and good luck.